Well, hey everyone, I see you found my hidden weight loss video here in the video description. I am also posting a link to this video over directly on my Patreon page for all of my Patreon subscribers there a day early. Otherwise, yeah, you found this video. I didn't want to advertise it because it's not been doing my channel very well. I don't understand it, except I'm starting to understand it, and I never meant for my success to affect other people in a negative way. I truly thought it was just going to help inspire people, and it's just not the case, and I can't control it. So I do apologize. Things are going well. Let's start off by jumping on the scale first. All right, let's see where we're at here. I'm excited. I know my socks don't match. 183.2, yes! Let's see, where does that put me? Last week, 185.2. This week, 183.2. Exactly 2 pounds lost in the last week. Also, if we started at 210.4, I've got 2.8 pounds to go to reach my 30 pounds lost in 90 days challenge. Before I even hit the 60-day mark. Now that's pretty cool. Man. So, I'm feeling fantastic. I'm testing out also something new behind me right there. That thing. I'm going to make you guys wait till next week because still testing it out. But yeah, I'm going to show you. This is my second time doing it. And big shout out to my buddy Bob in the Woodlands area, Texas, who told me about this. A different way to cook chicken. Or any kind of meat, or lots of different kinds of meat, and that is, okay, don't butcher it, Eric, Sous vide. Sous vide, I think is how you pronounce this. It's like an immersion cooker that will cook evenly your food, and the first time I did it, it was super easy to clean up. Essentially what we're going to do, I've already done it. I've got this container of water. You can get any container of water. And I put some hot water straight from the tap so that this is only a 750 watt immersion because they have bigger ones. But fill this up with water. We hook this sucker in. Can't do it one-handed, so hang on. And just remember that I'm going for convenience, simplicity, and ease of cleanup. So those three things. And a really good, natural way to cook. And today, I'm doing salmon. But first of all, it's all digital. I believe it's called a Nova Nano on Amazon for about 79 bucks. Then I got this in a cap. It is Bluetooth app controlled, actually. As you can see the app here, you can search for specific recipes. I am just going to type in salmon. Let's see what we get here. 115 degrees or 45 minutes, that's the one. I want to cook this recipe. So see, it's only cooking it to 115 degrees, but that's okay because it's doing almost like a slow cooker type thing. And 45 minutes it'll be even. We'll cook this recipe. The first thing it'll do is preheat. As you can see, I'm already too warm. That's okay. I started this a little early. Really, the starting temperature is 115, so we still have some work to do to prepare my salmon. But essentially, if you just put in normal tap water, this 115 would be like at 70, and you have to wait for it to slowly come up. So anyway, I'm going to let this kind of just sit here with the cover off so that we can bring the temperature down to where it's supposed to be, and then I will start this process. In the meantime, let me get the salmon put on a tray and get that all ready for this. All right, so here I've got 6 fillets of salmon. This is does not have the skin on the back, so it's pretty much just going to be ready to go. I'm just going to season it a little bit. You can season it however you want. I'm going to add some Himalayan pink salt, first of all. Jax, you smell that? You smell it, Jax? What is it? What's Dad making? Oh, you want some raw salmon, huh? Maybe some cooked salmon later. I know. And if I had any fresh lemon, I would put that on it, but I couldn't find it at the store, so I'm just going to squeeze on a little bit of this stuff on top. Meow, I know, it's so pitiful. Dad won't feed me anything. Oh my. Alright, so like I said, it's all about simplicity, right? These are going to be cooked in a normal freezer Ziploc bag, okay? So I'm going to put 3 in one of these bags. Alright, and this is my absolute first time doing salmon. I did do chicken by myself. And I had to take out the air out of this, though. So let me put this one aside, do the other one. Okay, let's check the temperature. There we go, 115.5 degrees. We are ready. It has basically already started counting down the 45-minute timer, but it's okay to go past that if you like. It's not going to damage the meat. So see how it says 44? It's like a slow cooker. It really won't do much damage. We're going to get those in right now. And the very last little trick that Bob showed me is with the bag itself, keep one corner open so that when I push it down, I allow the air to kind of escape till the last minute right there, and then get the last little seal, and then we are totally good and sealed. And since the water's circulating, it'll keep moving these around. Same thing for this guy here. Put it down at the right angle. Make sure this is last. Get all the air out of there. Seal it. We're good. I also got this convenient little cover for it that came with it on Amazon, like 12 bucks extra, but it keeps the heat in. I guess, you know, you could just wrap it with saran wrap or something, but it seems to work. Otherwise, this is just going to do its thing for 45 minutes, and I don't have to do anything. It's just going to cook magically, okay? I really can't wait to see how it comes out. In the meantime, I'm going to do carrots. All right. Some of those guys, one of those guys.
My name's Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
This knife is not very sharp, by the way. So I can essentially steam these. I'm not going to soak them and boil them. But we do need some water in there. That looks about good. And we'll put a lid on them, cook those at medium-high, stirring every once in a while. I've also been told that I overcook my carrots, like everything. I guess I just like everything a little more well done. But especially my carrots, I don't like them crunchy. I like them soft and chewy, you know. And, you know, also remember that I'm going to be adding water to these prep meals and nuking them in the microwave for a couple minutes day to day. So they're going to get a little more soft anyway, but just cook them however you like. This first batch, I didn't even add any salt or anything. I'm just hot water and bringing them to a soft, tender, almost done. Carrots are almost ready to be drained. I just tested one. It wasn't quite soft enough. A little longer here. Alright, carrots are done. I'm going to get all the water out of those guys there. Come back to that same pan. I'm going to add a little bit of almond oil in here because I want to brown the bottom of the carrots. Turn the stove back on to about medium. Then add the carrots back in. Now I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt and brown these guys up for about 3 to 5 minutes. That smells good, good. Look at that, 7 minutes left on our salmon. Starting to look yummy in there. Alright, let's test a carrot. Perfect. Nice job, Eric. Awesome, then we'll turn this off. Salmon is done. I'm going to let it sit there. It's not going to harm it anymore. Before we do that, though, I'm going to portion up my 6 meals with the carrots in these reusable containers. Not a perfect science here, but I mean, yeah, we got carrots. All right, let me pull out all this salmon. I'll put it on a cutting board and we'll take a look at it and test it out. Now the cool part is, cleanup is easy. I don't want to tear these up. They are very fragile. All right, there's one right there. Smells good. It's got Jax's attention, huh? Okay, there we go. I know, meow meow. Hang on. Let me get these out of here. That's still warm. It does have a little more of that salmon white stuff. I forgot what you call that. I forgot what the technical name is, but you know, that white stuff on the salmon. That's always there when I cook it, at least. I don't know. There's probably professionals who know how to get rid of it, but let's test it. Just a little piece here to see if Jax Man will like it. I cooked that. I cooked it. Yeah, really? I cooked that. Daddy made that. Was it pretty good? Where'd it go? Excuse me. Excuse me, where's the salmon? You know, and the more I look at it, it doesn't look as good as it really tastes, but you know what? It's a change up. Something different than chicken and corn. Then next week, I'll be back to probably chicken and corn. Yeah. Gotta mix it up a little bit. But hey, I am pleasantly surprised with the sous vide technology there, though. Easy cleanup. I just gotta clean a couple pans and a couple cutting boards that I did the carrots on, which there's no way around that. And wait, can you sous vide carrots? No, she's still gotta wash them and peel them. Anyway, that was fun. Let me clean up and I'll get back to you guys. Anyways, guys, I'm doing really well. I'm feeling really well. I'm super excited about this lifestyle change and seeing the results. And again, I don't mean to ever make anyone feel bad. My total intention this entire time for James and I was to help motivate others like he motivated me. I swear there was... I don't know. I'm still torn up about it. But either way, when I hit my goal, when I hit my mark, I'm going to come back to the normal channel. I'm going to make an update and let everyone know. Even if people gripe and complain, still going to do it. You guys take care. Either way, I'll see you somewhere next week. Bye, guys.